Hello and welcome to this video. I am Sarvesh Gutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's private wealth partner. So in today's video, we are going to understand who should actually invest in SIF, as SIF is a very new category and it is gaining a lot of popularity. So let's understand who should invest in SIF and what should be the allocation. Okay, so let's see. SEBI recently launched SIF with a minimum investment of 10 lakh rupees, and suddenly everyone wants a piece of this particular investment vehicle because there is a lot of marketing going about this particular product by AMCs and many other influencers. But at Auris Wealth, as our client's wealth partner, I have to ask my clients, is this actually the right investment product for my client's family? So I did some research and there are three ideal client profiles which can actually invest in these kind of portfolios. So the three ideal type of investors which I found can invest in SIF is first the core and satellite portfolio investor. So if your core portfolio is of mutual funds and you have been investing since quite some time and you have already built a good corpus, then SIF acts as a satellite portfolio to generate extra alpha using complex, long short strategies. The second type of investor profile can be who are interested in hedging their downside and more focused over capital protection. So, as you know, traditional mutual funds like equity mutual funds only make money when the market goes up, because the normal plain vanilla equity mutual funds or only have the permission to go long only, right? Which means that they can only sell low and buy at a higher price for making profit. Okay, but SIFs can use professional derivative strategies to protect your capital even when the market crashes. So SIF essentially is a long short strategy which is focused on reducing the downside downside volatility. Okay, and the third type of investor that can look at SIF is a client who has a lot of patience and a lot of time to stay invested in this product, because this product is also a volatile product. It is not like a fixed instrument product. Okay, even though there is a downside, uh, I will not say protection, but there is a downside hedge through short, possibilities through the shorting of the markets. But again, this product will also be a volatile product, so you need to have a at least a 7 year and above investment horizon to have your investment in SIFs. SIFs cannot be put, for your emergency fund. You cannot invest in SIF. You can also not invest a lot of your very low risk kind of investment bucket portfolios which are going to have their goals realized in next 3 to 5 years. So for example, if you have a goal which is going to get realized in next 3 years or 5 years, for that I don't think SIF will be a right investment vehicle. So 7 years should be something that you should be looking at. Now at Auris Wealth, we have created a simple rule that even though SEBI allows you to start investing in SIF with 10 lakh rupees per AMC, we tell our clients that unless and until their portfolio is minimum of 50 lakh rupees and their risk appetite is favorable for an SIF kind of product, and they have a goal which is long enough for them to have this kind of volatile product, then only we recommend it. So simple answer, you need to have 50 lakhs plus portfolio to even consider SIF. So we are only recommending an SIF if our total client's portfolio is 50 lakhs or more. The simple reason is because SIFs are still a very new category. We don't know how they will perform across the market cycle. So if client has 50 lakh rupees portfolio, they put 10 lakh rupees in an SIF, it is just 20% of their allocation, and we can then reduce some of the multi-cap allocation and move that into an SIF, but not more than 20% of their portfolio. Some clients have around 2 crore rupees, so we did 10% of the portfolio, so 10 lakhs in one AMC and 10 lakhs in another AMC for their SIF allocation. So 10% of the capital is what we have invested them for them in SIF, right? So the simple answer is very clear, that if you are an investor who has less than 50 lakh rupees capital as of today, and who does not have more than at least 7 years of investment horizon, then you should probably not look at SIF at the current moment, because they do consider the derivatives angle as well, and they are new products. So we don't know what is going to be the track record of theirs in the market cycle. So at least wait for 3-4 years before you take a decision. If you have that kind of flexibility and you have 50 lakhs and above portfolio, you can maybe perhaps allocate not more than 20% in an SIF and move some of your multi-cap investments into your SIF investments of the same AMC. Okay, so this is all about SIF. So if you want to know if SIF is a product that is suitable for your portfolio, your family's portfolio, then don't blindly jump into it. Take a proper guidance. If you want, we provide a free 30-minute portfolio review online to our potential clients. Okay, all you have to do is click the link in the description box below and book a free 30 minutes portfolio review with us. With one simple OTP, we will be able to fetch your existing portfolio, and on that we will give you the guidance of how and in what you should be investing based on your goals, and based on that we will help you to further do all the changes whatever is required. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. If you found value in this video, please, a humble request, do give it a like, and also share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from it. And also do consider subscribing. This will give me and my team more motivation to make more such videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.